quickly fix localhost refused to connect in Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application and make sure that you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. Now, if you do not have your stable Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. Next, tap on the Play Store application on your device and search for Google Chrome. As you can see, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of Google Chrome application. So after checking on that, you can just go back and then make a long press on Google Chrome application and then tap on App Info. After that, what you can simply do is tap on Clear Data over here at the bottom right corner and then tap on Clear Cache. And tap on the app permissions and make sure that you have toggled on all the required options. After checking on that, simply make a long press on the power button and then tap on reboot and restart the device, and this might fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.